Binance partnering with who? BMW? Wait, what? Binance using BMW using the Binance Smart Chain for what now? We're going to dive into it. We'll be right back. All right, guys, this news coming out just a few short days ago. Just in, BMW will be integrating blockchain technology and will be using the BNB chain, that is the Binance Smart Chain, to settle transactions for their customer loyalty program. So, first and foremost, these customer loyalty programs, I think, are something to watch in the future here. This is how so many Web2 companies are coming into Web3. They're utilizing the Starbucks model. Starbucks was the first starter of this. They integrated it. Their beta version's already out there live. They've partnered with Polygon for their loyalty rewards programs. We made a video about this on my personal channel over on YouTube, talking about the future of loyalty programs and how this could help so many Web2 companies reignite their loyalty programs. Because let's just call it what it is. So many of the programs out there now are pretty stagnant, right? It's just like the punch card model, right? Like buy 5 free coffee or buy 5 coffees, get 1 free type thing, where this is so much different with blockchain, right? Being able to actually own your rewards. See what I mean? Have ownership of those rewards, be able to sell them to other people in the ecosystem, transfer them, trade them. Imagine trading rewards across the blockchain network. Think about that, right? Hey, you've got a $10 off coupon code. Well, I just want a free tumbler from Starbucks. We could trade. I need a Christmas present. That thing's actually $25 in the store, but I can get it for 10 if I trade it with this user over here. Insane possibilities here with customer loyalty programs. Keep your eye on this as we head into 2023. Now, more on this particular partnership. BMW to integrate blockchain technology and use BNB chain to settle transactions for customer loyalty program. So if we dive into this a little bit deeper, of course, BMW, the German car manufacturer, looking to get into crypto, right? The crypto market saw the entry for several major car manufacturers, and especially in the NFT space. BMW is now all set to include blockchain technology in its system. The German car manufacturer is planning to employ the BNB chain along with blockchain infrastructure firm CoinWeb. BMW intends to use blockchain tech for its everyday operations. In addition to this, the car manufacturer is working on creating a blockchain loyalty program, particularly for its Thailand-based customers. This isn't the first time we've seen it. Back in 2018, BMW used blockchain tech to monitor its cobalt supply. BNB chain will be used for settling transactions, while CoinWeb will focus on providing a decentralized architecture. Man, this is going to be fun to watch. Customers will be rewarded with loyalty points, and they will be able to spend within the ecosystem. Our hope is there will be a future global rollout, but currently our partnership is for Thailand. Yeah, I hope they go global with this, and I also hope they understand the power of being able to trade these assets if they're actually your points, your rewards, and you own them. Being able to trade them across the blockchain is going to be so much fun for people within that ecosystem. So let me know what you guys think about this down below. I think it's really cool to see these big Web2 companies finally turning the page, turning the corner, seeing what we all see. Blockchain is the future. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget to comment down below. Subscribe right here if you haven't already. Subscribe to this channel. We've got a ton of content coming at you. A ton of things lined up for 2023 with ClearCryptos. Stay locked in. Future of DeFi, CCX. We'll see you.